Hi there, you're in the lab with me, JJ. Today is mail call. There's a couple of mail calls to do. We're going to do one today. There's two more. The one for today is from Amazon. The two coming up are from AliExpress. So today we're going to look at some stuff I got from Amazon. It's all basically the same type of thing. I'll show you in a second what that is. While I think of it, today's silly job title is Electronics Guru. Today I'm the Electronics Guru. And this is just a mail call. And of course, in the mail call, we go through what's arrived in the mail. I bought some stuff from Amazon, so we're going to pop you over to the bench, and I'll show you what's here. Let's do it. Okay, so here we are on the bench. I've got my coffee, very important, and got a bunch of envelopes, I guess you'd have to say, from Amazon. So let's just pop these out. Oh, dear. I'm a bit weary. I get plenty of sleep though, so not sure why. All right. Now, what have we got here? Put those up in the corner here. Now, I've got a whole bunch of these things, so I'm expecting to see many of the same type of thing. Now, this is linear algebra, and this is called pre-algebra. There you go. So it's stuff you need to know before you take on algebra itself. Okay, that looks good. That's everything for this one. Now we've got a whole bunch of these, so I might actually even just time lapse this. Let's do that together now. All right. So that was everything out. We have yet to do this. We might as well do that first. Well, actually, let's just get some low-hanging fruit done. This is some solderless breadboards. I'm not sure exactly why I got these. I don't remember what the purpose was. Anyway, you can never have too many breadboards. So I think that was probably preparation for learning the art of electronics. But there we go. All right. So this is just desoldering wick. Very good. I think I got that because it was recommended by my mate NanoFix over on his channel. If I can remember, that's why I got this particular bit of stuff. Just going to chop out the label here for the scrapbook. Put that up the back for now. Now, give me 1 second. All right, I'm back, and this is my solder, braid, and paste. So in we go. Solder wick, recommended by my mate NanoFix. Got plenty of it. Excellent. All right, now these, there's not much to tell you about these. These are just, oh, they're bigger than I thought they would be. Okay. They're just key rings for labeling your keys and such. Particularly, I need to label my USB drives. So I'll go put them away. All right, so those key rings are away. This is the main hall. I'm going to show you that in a second, but it looks like... Oh, I see. Huh. How are we going to get this open? I'll just do that with you quickly. All right, so this was recommended by my mate NanoFix, and it's basically a solder dispenser, and also I guess you could put wire and such on there as well. So I'm planning to install that just here, so we'll put that in later. And these are just filters for the exhaust fan. I got myself a like an exhaust fan for clearing the solder flux residue out. So that's what those are. I'll just quickly cut out this label here. And then I can show you the main haul. This is most of what I got from Amazon just recently, which I'm excited to show you. And that's these. So let's have a look at them one at a time. So this is now they're all from QuickStudy. QuickStudy. These people who put together like these cheat sheet things. So we've got Linux, English grammar and punctuation. We've got statistics, equations and answers. We've got SQL programming. We've got writing tips and tricks. We've got Python programming language for Python 3. We've got Excel pivot tables and charts. We've got Python standard library for Python 3. We've got comma, grammar, pitfalls and mistakes. We've got the C++ programming language. We've got financial statements. We've got trigonometry. We've got geometry part 2. And we've got calculus 1 and probability and geometry part 1 and calculus 2 and algebra part 1 and calculus equations and answers, algebra part 2, pre-calculus, the periodic table. Kick ass. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Look at that. Wow. Look at that. All right, we got the periodic table. And differential equations, physics equations and answers, pre-algebra. Oh, did I get 2 pre-algebra? Oh, I'm not sure. And linear algebra. Pre-algebra, I think I did. I got 2 pre-algebra. Oh no, that was pre-calculus. Algebra. Oh, okay, that's good. So let's organize these together, and then we'll put them aside, and we'll conclude this mail call. So as you can see, I got a whole lot of cheat sheets on a whole lot of different stuff. Let's say we've got writing, mathematics, programming. So let's say SQL programming, writing, Python, and where's the other Python? There's 2 Python. All right, we've got Excel. I'm going to put Excel in here. Yeah, sure. Grammar is part of writing. Programming languages, I can go in there. Financial statements. Ooh, that's tricky. I guess I'll put it in mathematics. There's mathematics, probability, geometry, calculus, algebra, pre-calculus, periodic table. Yes, we'll put it there. Differential equations, physics. Oh, I forgot. Okay, physics. All right. Linear algebra. All right, we'll put them at the back. Pre-calculus. Okay, we've got algebra 1 and 2. Algebra 1 and 2. I'm going to put pre-calculus there. Calculus there. Linear algebra, we'll put them right at the back. And along with differential equations, physics, periodic table, calculus 2. Where's calculus 1? Calculus 2, geometry part 1, probability. There's calculus 1. That's calculus 1, calculus 2. We do pre-algebra. We got geometry part 1, geometry part 2, trigonometry. Okay. Financial statements, we'll put them last. Not super interested in that one, frankly. Statistics, probability, trigonometry, pre-algebra. Okay, that all looks pretty good to me. So, there's a whole stack of stuff for mathematics. We've got C++, Excel, Python, standard library, Python programming. We've got SQL, we've got Linux, we've got Excel. Very good. Now, actually, I already had a couple in my collection, so I didn't have to buy them recently because I already had them. So this is engineering formulas, circuit analysis, electrical wiring, Excel formulas, Chicago Manual of Style. This is the writing one. So the Manual of Style, grammar, writing, and grammar again. All right. So, let's do engineering at the back of all of the mathematics stuff. All right. So, yeah, my friend got me a prepaid credit card for my birthday, and I spent most of it buying myself this full set of cheat sheets. So now you've seen the full set. I'm going to enjoy poring over those and trying to learn everything there is to know about writing, science, and mathematics, with a bit of programming stuff in there as well. So I think that's everything for this video. I'll throw over to the farewell cam. We'll wrap up. That's a wrap. So yeah, that was my Amazon haul. Mostly these cheat sheets from QuickStudy. Yeah, that's it's obviously very dense material. It tries to cover the whole subject in a couple of pages. So I'm going to try and cover all of these things. As we said, it's English writing, and some programming and technology stuff, and then of course mathematics and science. So yeah, really happy to have that. I won't go through them now with you, but I will spend many hours going through this as I learn the various things. And that's everything for the Amazon haul. So stick around. In the next couple of days, I'll have another 2 mail call videos coming out with some stuff from AliExpress. So that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe. Okay, I got a little addendum, a little PS. I've got this, and I'm not sure what's in here, but I think it's probably to go with those filters that we just saw. So let's just see if it's right or not. What do we got? Yes, it is. Okay, great. So I showed you just a moment ago the carbon filters that I got for this. This is try and get this open. It's solder fume extractor, and these were the filters that I got that came with. So I'm going to install this up the back here. I don't know if I'll be able to show you that, but I thought I'd mention it as well. So yeah, I got this little solder fume extractor and the filter that it comes with. So that's just a little air quality thing for here in the lab. So just thought I'd mention that, but that's everything now. So enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.